Welcome back, guys. I know you've been missing these notes, so here we go. But first, let's be successful when you take your notes. If you see words, write it. If you see pictures, draw it. And remember to watch it twice. Days, nights, and seasons, the true story. So before we can hop into that, let's talk about what a system is. A system is just something that's made up of different kinds of parts that join together to form an interconnected whole. Common examples that you're used to is when we talked about the body systems and all the little pieces and stuff that go into making the body, or back when you talked about the solar system. So we're going to add a different system today, and we're going to talk about the Sun, Earth, Moon system, which is the system responsible for days, nights, and the seasons. The Earth rotates. We call this rotation. It's the act of rotating or turning on an axis. Earth rotates on its axis, which causes day and night. It takes around 24 hours for a full rotation, so one rotation equals 1 day. Where if we look on the right, we see revolution. Revolution in history takes a little bit longer, guys. Well, revolution of the Earth takes a little bit longer. It's the orbiting of one space body or object around another. The Earth revolves around the Sun. The Moon revolves around the Earth. Well, the Earth revolves around the Sun in about 365.25 days, or 1 year. So with day and night, when the Earth rotates around its axis, this is the axis, and it's going to rotate along the axis, and when it does that, our night and our day changes. Earth's axis is actually tilted about 23.5 degrees. It's not vertical or horizontal, it's tilted. And as the Earth rotates, on one side of the Earth, it's getting lots of light, which is daytime, and on the other side there's an absence of light, which is nighttime. So as it rotates, it changes from night and day depending on where you're at. Next we talk about the seasons, the 4 seasons, but not that hotel or that wonderful singing sensations. Remember, I told you that the Earth is tilted. And as it's being tilted, remember, on our axis, it's constantly rotating around the Sun. And it's rotating on this path that we call an orbit. Okay, Earth's orbit is not a circle, and it's an ellipse. This is circle, or circle-ish. This is more of an ellipse, or an elliptical shape. Earth is actually slightly closer to the Sun in January and slightly further away in July because of that elliptical shape. And the elliptical orbit gives us seasons, well, combined with the Earth's tilt, of course, gives us seasons and varying times of daylight. Like, not a lot of daytime in the winter, right? These circles stand for Earth. Okay, Earth has hemispheres. Okay, if we draw a dotted line, bear with me as it trying dots, there we go. As we draw a dotted line, we know that the left side is our western hemisphere and the right side is our eastern hemisphere. And if we draw a dotted line going this way, the top part is our northern hemisphere and the bottom part is our southern hemisphere. You have to know this. Okay, and we have seasons, our 4 seasons: summer, fall, which we like to call autumn instead in science, guys, autumn. Okay, then winter and spring. And some stuff at the bottom that you need to write down that we'll talk about in a little bit. Okay, so this is something that's really important. I need y'all to understand that seasons are dictated by the angles of the sunlight as the sun hits the Earth. And that what part of the Earth is pointing towards the sun is going to be changing depending on where the Earth is at during its revolution. So if we look at this picture, we have the northern hemisphere both times, okay? But one is the winter and one's the summer. Okay, notice the sun's light. When it comes out like this to hit the Earth. Okay, and then this little guy right here, that stands for where we are. In the summer, we're getting light hitting us straight on. That's why it's hot for us in the summer in the northern hemisphere. But in the winter time, don't let this fool you, we are still getting sunlight up here, but it's indirect sunlight, okay? Indirect, meaning not direct sunlight. Since it's not direct sunlight, that sunlight's being spread over a larger area. Whereas when it's hot in the summer, it's because we're getting that direct sunlight that's very narrow and not spread out.